Hello friends, today I'm going to demonstrate the Page Composer functionality in Oracle Fusion. This is a crucial feature from an extensibility perspective as it allows us to tailor and enhance the user interface without need for traditional development. Using Page Composer, we can modify the look and feel of application pages, add or remove fields, rearrange components, or even insert custom content based on user roles or business requirements. This also empowers functional consultants and business users to achieve more with minimal dependency on the technical teams. Let's explore how Page Composer works. So in this session, I'm going to demonstrate to you how to extend the requisition screen in order to enable DFF. As you are aware, like what is DFF? DFF is to capture additional information on on the screen, on the requisition screen or purchase order screen. I'm trying to focus on your requisition screen in this particular demonstration. Okay, so there are quite few steps we are going to be taking into consideration is like creating the DFF for the requisitions, creating a sandbox, opening Page Composer, and enabling the DFF on the Page Composer. Okay, so let's deep dive into this session. Now these are, so if you say like I've already created DFF, I would like to show you how to go to that particular DFF. So you can click on, you can enable requisition. This particular functionality wasn't there, or there was a limited functionality on Oracle Business Suite, but with Fusion, you can open up the DFF. You can see the DFF, which DFF is enabled, and you can click on that DFF, and it will take you to that particular screen. So this is the DFF which I've created. There are two segments which I've taken into consideration. One is cost owning department and asset classification. You can click on BI enable if you want these segments to be available in your BI reports. Yeah, and the second one is my required field. And these are coming from the list of values. So the list of values, you can define your list of the list of values which I've created for this one is xx underscore RQ booking, which will, okay, so I'm just going to click on this one. Okay, it's a required one, and my value set is xx underscore required booking. And you can click on view value set if you want to see the values which are going to be part of this. Yeah, so value is capex, opex, pre-opening capex, and okay, so these are the four values which are part of this DFF. Okay, so this is the DFF you have created. Now you would like to enable, because by default Oracle won't immediately make it available actually on the screen. You have to go to the Page Composer, because some of the DFF can be enabled immediately, but some of the DFF, for DFF you have to go to the Page Composer and enable that particular DFF, then only it will start appearing. Okay, so I'm just going to create a sandbox, which is going to be my sandbox. Okay, and this is very important. Some sandbox, you can create a sandbox just for the play around. You can do the configuration, it's a throwaway. But some of the configurations are publishable. That means once you have done those changes, once everything has been tested successfully, you need to push that to the main pipeline, to the main main code basically. And these are the applications which I'm going to be taking in, and these are the application like PageComposer. I'm going to have page integration as well for the future use. Okay, create and enter. So we are, if you see, like we are in the sandbox, that means, yeah. So this is the top bar which will show you like you're in the sandbox right now. So whatever changes you are going to be making to the form, that's going to be reflected to your account only. It's going to be assigned to your account only. Like once you have done the publish, once you have published the sandbox, then only it will push those changes into the core application. So let me go to the requisition screen. Shown you like DFF which we have created, but that DFF is not going to be available immediately because some of the DFFs Oracle controls through the page composer. In this particular case, if you see like purchase requisition which I've created, and if you go to manage requisition, I've got actually one requisition which is in incomplete state. Now, okay, so I can't see my DFF now. You can see, so DFF isn't available right now, and all I have to do basically go to the page composer and make it visible. Yeah. So let's go to page composer here. Okay. Now, if you come to page composer, there are three tabs basically. One is add content, select, and the structure. Okay. So I'll come and I'll select this window and come to the structure. You'll have to put this slightly up, and you have to literally scroll down to figure it out where exactly your descriptive flex field is. So I am in price. Okay, this is my line flex fields. Click on line flex fields. Okay, so this is my display options, child components, descriptive flex field, style. So come to display option, and if you see here, still not visible. You have to click on make it visible. Okay, can you see now? Your cost owning department, asset classification, adding global segments, everything has been enabled right now. So you can create your global segment from here itself. So this is visible now. And now this will allow you to capture additional information against that particular requisition. Okay. So once you have made those changes, you can close, you can publish. Once you are publishing, whatever changes, whatever configuration you have done so far, that's going to be pushed into the main source code. Okay. So we have covered this DFF through we have enabled DFF through the page composer. Okay. Hope you liked my session. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe to my channel. Thank you.